Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside. I am Jenny, and today we are so excited to introduce you to the newest member of the Creekside family. This is Brynna. Brynna is our 9-week-old German Shepherd puppy that we just picked up on Saturday. I will go ahead and tell you that is the end of the day. She is exhausted, and we have found, and we already knew this because this is not our first puppy, but they are like little toddlers, right? If you've ever had a kid in your life, toddlers when they get tired, they get cranky. So we're gonna let her just go play, and she's gonna probably stand right there at Jerry's feet the whole time. But yeah, so Brynna is 9.5 weeks old. She is a German Shepherd. This is our second German Shepherd. We actually had our Hope for 10 years, and she has been gone for about 3 years now. And it took us this long to go ahead and say, you know what, we're gonna have another puppy. But she is a sweet, precious dog. Our Hope was a great family pet. She was wonderful with the kids and the family, and just a real staple in our family. Brynna is going to be the same way. We know already that she is definitely a people person. Just today, she has had lots of people coming in and out because of the nature of where we are and our business and who we are. So she's had lots of visitors, and she does great meeting new people. If you are going to be here at the nursery, come springtime, she will be here. She will be a regular for you to come and visit and say hello to. But yeah, so we got her. She's over there doing what puppies do and playing with the mulch. But we got her from a wonderful lady in Georgia, Courtney, who has just done an amazing job being a dog mom and raising them. The puppies, there was actually 15 puppies in that litter. It was a huge litter. There was 2 boys and 13 girls. But she is a sable, so she's basically the brown and the black. Her mom and dad are beautiful dogs, and very well behaved, very friendly. We got to meet the mom, Cheyenne, when we first went to go see the puppies before we brought Brynna home, and just an absolutely amazing, beautiful dog. So it was fun because our kids have been asking us for tons, really almost as soon as Hope passed away. They were asking, you know, when are we going to get another puppy? And we just kept saying, you know, when the time's right, so forth and so on. So we did not tell them until the morning we were going down to Georgia to go visit the litter. And to say that they were excited was an absolute understatement. So we went down, it was the day after Thanksgiving, went down to Georgia. It's about a 3-hour drive right outside of Atlanta, and got to spend a couple of hours with the puppies, with the mom, see them. They were just all fantastic, really super friendly. Yeah, and so we thought we were actually going to get one puppy, but after they did the temperament testing, Courtney said, you know what, I think this puppy would be a better suit for you and what you've got going on. And so far, she has just been absolutely amazing. So we've had lots of experiences. She has explored everything. We went to the vet this morning. Megan and I took her to the vet for a well visit. She did amazingly well, wasn't scared or anxious about the whole visit. She got a beautiful bill, clean bill of health. The vet was really excited with her. And everybody that sees her just comments about how big her paws are. So she's going to be a good sized girl, probably somewhere in that 65, 75 pound range. But yeah, she's got some ears and some paws to grow into. She's sitting right over here at our feet, you know, chewing on some things. And we haven't had a puppy since Hope, which was 13 years ago. So Emily was 4 and Megan was 1. Jackson wasn't even born, wasn't even a thought when we had Hope. So it has been a while since we have been in the puppy stage. But the good thing now is that we have 3 teens basically to help take care of her. She's doing great. She is sleeping in her crate. So last night I put her to bed about 11:30, and we went out to go to the bathroom, put her in her kennel, and I had to wake her up at 6 o'clock this morning. So she is doing great. The potty training, house training is going magnificently well. So there's just a lot of fun things. If you've had a puppy in your life, you know it is an adventure. It is, I tell you, it's like having a newborn in the house. But she is loved by all, and she loves us and loves to be right underneath our feet, which right now can be a little challenging, but just always with us. So she will be a staple in the videos. I'm sure that she will be making cameos and guest appearances, because if we are outside, she is outside and she is right there with us the whole time. So you will definitely get to watch her grow up and see how she grows and develops. It's going to be a lot of fun. She is, like I said, a sweet dog, very curious. She is a problem solver. She is a determined dog. Very smart, like most German Shepherds are. So we are super excited to have her. But I just wanted to take a minute to introduce her to you, and just kind of give you an update on what is happening here in our life at Creekside Nursery. But as always, thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.